Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to rename an audio file in Google Drive on your PC following the latest updates. This process is straightforward and can help you keep your files organized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, make sure you are logged into your account. Next, locate the audio file you wish to rename. You can scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the audio file, look for the 3 vertical dots located next to it. This icon represents additional options. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Rename option. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter a new name for your audio file. Now type in the new name you want for your audio file. Make sure it's something descriptive so that you can easily identify it later. After entering the new name, click on the OK button to save your changes. And that's it. Your audio file is now renamed and ready for use. Remember that renaming files can help you maintain a better organized Google Drive, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. If you have multiple audio files to rename, you can repeat these steps for each one. This method is effective for keeping your files tidy and ensuring that everything is labeled correctly. In summary, renaming an audio file in Google Drive is a simple task that can enhance your file management experience. Just open Google Drive, find your audio file, click on the 3 dots next to it, select Rename, enter your new name, and click OK. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive and other applications efficiently. Happy organizing!